Hi, everybody. Welcome to another edition of Ryan's Whiteboard. You might have caught on Sunday night Michael Lewis was on 60 Minutes and he was promoting his new book, Flash Boys. And the whole gist of the discussion was how the stock market is rigged. Now, here I want to play a segment of what Michael Lewis had to
What's the
say.
advantage of speed?
Can give you an example. If I'm just an ordinary trader at a bank or an investor in Manhattan, and I'm trying to go buy stock, and I hit a button. It says I'm going to buy 10,000 shares of Microsoft that seem to be out there. My trade signal goes like up the West Side Highway, out the Lincoln Tunnel, and it arrives first at an exchange on the other side of the Lincoln Tunnel called the BATS exchange. There are waiting high-frequency traders who have algorithms that are able to determine what it is I want to do. They then need to beat me to the other exchanges to buy the Microsoft I want to buy and sell it back to me at a higher price.
And they're doing that?
They're doing that, but they not only need to beat me, they need to beat each other. So beating me is easy. I'm just an ordinary investor operating at fairly ordinary speeds, fast, but not that fast. Whoever's the fastest to go get the Microsoft at the other exchanges, which are scattered across New Jersey, will have the advantage and can get them and sell them back to me because I need to buy them.
Well, I'm for one shocked. You're telling me that the big boys on Wall Street prey on the small investors? I don't believe it. In all seriousness, from the time Wall Street has existed over 200 years ago, all we've ever seen are the big boys preying on the smaller investors. So if this is a shock to you, I'll just say right away, trading probably isn't the best place for your money. But getting down to it, this is nothing new. The NYSE just recently, late 2012, paid a $5 million fine. And why did they pay that fine? As you can see here on this chart, it's kind of confusing, I'm aware. But the bottom line is they were giving data to people who were, I don't know if you say paying for it, but giving data illegally to certain investors and certain traders before they were giving it to the public. How about that? Now, I'm sure they learned their lesson by that $5 million slap. But the reality is what Michael Lewis is talking about is really nothing new. He's brought up some interesting points, been lots of discussion on it, but my take has always been, if you're going to day trade, that's a very, very tough game. With the algorithms that are out there, the high-frequency traders that are out there, day trading isn't the area for me, I guess. But for longer-term investors and even swing traders, I just don't see how this really affects them nearly as much as it comes off. Now, bigger picture, the fact that we've got this Wall Street is rigged, the stock market is rigged, when the S&P, as of this second, is making a new all-time high. To me, I find that extremely bullish from a contrarian point of view. You like to see that negativity, and as long as things are rigged or making new highs, that's a good sign. So lastly, I will say, feel free to go on Twitter and do hashtag Ryan's Whiteboard and give me any comments about this video or any future videos or anything you'd like to see written behind me there. With that, everyone have a great day, and I'll see you next time.